this week we received her passport with her Polish visa stamped. This visa been granted for 1 year, 365 days. It's multiple entry visa type D. Previously, Emily been granted the work permit from our company with one of the major employers in Poland. And hello everyone, today in our office we are welcoming one of our lovely applicants, Miss Emily Gan. She's from Philippines. She came here today from Abu Dhabi together with her passport because today just we received, and this week we received her passport with her Polish visa stamped. This visa been granted for 1 year, 365 days. It's multiple entry visa type D. Previously, Emily been granted the work permit from our company with one of the major employers in Poland, and her embassy, Poland embassy, approved her visa very fast. And today I would like to congratulate you with your passport and with your visa stamped in your passport. Already I know after 1 week you're traveling to Poland, and we would like to record this video and to save in our memories and to in your memory your journey with our company. So first of all, welcome to our office, and I would like to ask you first of all, what do you do here in UAE? How long you've been here, and how did you hear about our company?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. I'm Emily Gan and I'm from Philippines. I've been in Abu Dhabi for almost 8 years, and then I decided to change my career and my goals and to work in Europe. And one of my friends, who is my colleagues, she gave me the card of North American Services Center. And then me and my friend, I invite her, and then we visit the office in Al Reem in Abu Dhabi. And then we started to apply immediately.
Yeah, but how this friend knows about our company who give you the business card?
Yeah, her friend also already in Poland.
That's why. And then she said that she applied with our company. She's in Poland, and you can also go there. Yeah. And why you decided also to choose specifically Poland?
I always dreamed of living and working in Europe.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, because there are a lot of benefits. Probably you hear it, and the nature is nice.
Yeah, and the culture.
And the work-wise, also the salary, the income is quite better than here in UAE. That's good. And then you received your work permit from our company, yeah?
Yes.
How long it took for you to receive the work permit?
I think 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months you receive your work permit, and then we applied for your visa appointment. Yeah, how long it took to receive the visa appointment?
I cannot remember. I think 6 months.
6 months. Yeah, and then after you receive the appointment, we prepare your documents, right, to apply with the embassy, and then you went to the embassy. How was your interview with them?
They didn't interview me. They just checked all the papers if it's clear and everything is okay, and that's it.
And everything was okay, yeah.
Yes.
And they told you to wait for your passport, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. And then they informed you that you can collect your passport. You went. You didn't know yet you got the visa or not.
Yeah, I was so afraid. I was in the queue and I was about to because I'm having anxiety. I'm so afraid that I might be rejected.
Yeah.
But then when it's my turn, they called me, and when he opened the passport, I already saw it's
the visa,
the stamp. This one.
Yeah, then
I'm recognizing this.
You release your stress. Yeah.
And I was so happy.
Yeah.
And some of the applicants also there are greeting me like congratulations, and they're still waiting.
In our company, applicant of our company?
No, from I think from other agency also. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. And in general, how you can say, how was your journey with our company? Are you happy that from the beginning you choose our company and now you already got your visa and you are traveling?
Yeah, I was so happy because it's hard for me to find a legit company, and that can really help me to travel and live and work in Europe. But now I'm happy, and I can say that you can fully trust North American Services Center because you see the proof.
That's true. That's true. Nowadays, really, it's very difficult to find the right company, but if you just saw our social media, if you see our presence, we have helped thousands of applicants, and our company, the oldest immigration company, 36 years old, and related to Poland immigration, to Europe immigration, I was really the first person who introduced Europe immigration in whole Middle East. It was back like 8 years ago, and since then clients start get to know about that they can get a job in other countries, and even people from Asia can work and live in Europe, and definitely there are more benefits there in terms of the social life and in terms of the quality of life, in terms of the travel. You also with your visa can freely travel to all European countries. Even you have 2 days off, you can just take a plane, 1 hour, go to Italy, go to Portugal, France, any country you want. So I'm glad that finally you got your visa, and I'm sure very, very bright future waiting for you there. You will explore a lot, a new culture, it's a new country. You will work with European people, and you definitely will travel whenever you are free and whenever you have vacation. You can travel to European countries. You can in future also invite your family to visit you. You can invite your colleagues or friends also to apply with our company and receive the work permit and visa. So congratulations to you. I'm happy that one more of our applicants got the visa and successfully will be traveling. You're traveling already next week, and wish you a safe flight. And definitely, when I will be in Poland also, we might see you again. It might not be last time we seeing each other. I'm often traveling, and even if I'm not there, you can always contact me, and I'm sure you might have some questions later on when you will be there. Immigration advice, legal advice, anything you want, you can always contact our company or me personally. Thank you so much for visiting our office today. Congratulations again from all NASC team and from everyone who is currently watching this video. If you are inspired by the story of Emily, and if you also happy for her, please congratulate her in the comments under this video, like this video, and if also you would like to receive same Polish visa for 1 year, and you would like to live and work in Poland or any other European countries, you can easily contact our company and apply for your work permit. Thank you again, and we'll be seeing you soon.